So I've been getting this question a lot lately from new owners. How do I charge at home? What I want to talk about is specifically the option for the Standard Range Plus, because it differs from the other cars in the fleet. But before I get into it, if you're enjoying these videos, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button right over here. I've been meaning to do this video for a while. It actually what inspired me to start this channel. When I ordered my car and I started researching charging options for my Standard Range Plus, or SR Plus, I vaguely heard that the onboard charger didn't charge the same as the long range model. Now, I had just bought the $700 wall connector and was wondering, was this needed? The problem I found was I couldn't find that answer anywhere. And if I did find an answer, it was so technical, only a licensed electrician could make sense of it. Now, I'm not an electrician, so I'll explain everything in very basic terms that everyone can understand. The onboard charger of the SR Plus maxes out at 32 amps. So the first question is, should you buy the Tesla wall connector? Now, unless you want a pretty charger that looks nice, then no. The wall connector has a 48 amp output, but like I said, the car can only take 32, so you're wasting your money. The SR Plus just can't take advantage of the fast speeds the wall connector can do. Now, if you have any other Tesla, such as the Model 3Y long range of performance, as well as the S or the X, then sure, it's definitely worthwhile. Your best bang for the buck is this guy right here, the NEMA adapters, specifically the 1450, commonly known as a stove plug, or the 650, which is a welder's plug. Both of these are the fastest NEMA adapters you can get. There are a few other ones, but they'll be slower from there. The benefit of the 1450 over the 650 is that the 1450 is mostly used by RVs, so you'll be able to use it traveling and plug it into any RV parks. I've done it a couple times and a lot of them are free, so it helps out a lot. The 1450 is a 240 volt outlet, and if you put a 50 amp breaker, you'll get around 53 kilometers an hour in charging speeds, or 7 to 8 kilowatts an hour. There are a few variables that affect the speed, like distance from your panel, or cold weather can also affect it. This you charge from about 30 to 90% overnight, and that takes about 4 to 5 hours. Tesla sells the NEMA adapters individually for $44, or they also sell the bundle, but if you just need one, just get the individual ones. Well, you then plug the adapter into your mobile connector that comes with your car, and you're all set. In terms of cost, if you're an electrician, you're probably not watching this video, but it can be done yourself if you know what you're doing. But I do recommend getting a licensed electrician just for safety aspects. Costs vary on how far away your panel is from the outlet and if you have to upgrade your panel, but generally anywhere from $700 to $900. But I've also heard as high as $1,500, so it's good to get a few quotes. So if you're waiting on an SR Plus delivery, first off, congrats, but don't delay to figure out your charging setup. And I highly recommend the 1450 NEMA adapters. It's the best bang for your buck, and in my opinion, the best option. The problem was I found anywhere, and if I did, can't take. I need water.